It's really great to have our partner Mustard from AnySwap today.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
Yeah, Mustard, can you tell us some of your background? How did you get into AnySwap?
So yeah, I mean, I was actually in traditional finance before this. I have an economic and finance background. And I've been investing in crypto since 2017. So yeah, I discovered AnySwap like last year. And yeah, I saw the potential in cross-chain with chains like yours and other ones. And yeah, I started looking into it. I started as a community manager, and then I started helping the guys out. Yeah, here I am.
It's a really great journey that way.
Yeah,
You're also our host. You also live
exactly.
in Lisbon.
I'm actually from Lisbon. Yeah.
Yeah. How do you feel like now everyone come here? How does the crypto scenes have changed this year?
Really, Lisbon is turning into one of the main crypto hubs, probably the biggest one in Europe. Mm-hmm. I see a lot of big founders and big DeFi protocols, people changing here. Mm-hmm. And yeah, it's an honor. I mean, Lisbon to me is my favorite city in the world. After all, I was almost born here. I'm very close. Cool. So yeah, to me Lisbon is an awesome city.
Yeah, excuse me. So many people actually wanted to stay here.
Yeah.
And so many more, probably more events will be happening.
Yeah, I hope so. I mean, we're going to have this. We're going to have Cosmos at Near too.
That's right.
And afterwards,
Solana.
Solana. Yeah. So great point.
Yeah.
Excited for that one too.
Yeah. So for you now that you've seen the AnySwap like grow from many of development in China, now really working with so many different protocols to help think about both the DeFi and the NFT bridging. Can you tell us some about the roadmap that will be coming as well?
Yeah, I mean, we have a lot of things coming. We are adding a lot of chains, adding a lot of assets. We are working, of course, closely with you guys. Mm-hmm. But yeah, right now we have an NFT bridge to Phantom, which we start with Phantom. But in the future, we might have it for everybody, who knows?
That'll be really great. Yeah. Like really understanding what the users need right now, right? They really have different fragmented liquidity, but also a different way to transfer the NFT airdrop to a different network. What other user-facing features will you be seeing?
Sorry, what?
What other user-facing features would AnySwap thinking about in Q1?
Yeah. I mean, in Q1?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, that's a good question.
Yeah.
I mean, we want to make it. We want to be the backbone of cross-chain bridging, basically.
Wow.
So we work with several other protocols. For example, in Phantom, work with SpookySwap and SpringSwap.
Cool.
We work with Abracadabra Money. We work with SolarBeam, and these guys integrate our bridge into their platform, so they use their own UI.
Yeah.
And in the end, we're just like a Cisco for computers or IBM. We're just on the background.
Yeah.
But we're AWS.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's a great way to think about it. So what's your take about NFT now using Bridge? Do you see that also as a way to like have so many different users? What is your user demographic?
Yeah, I mean, we have thousands of daily users. We have everything from business funds, and even other bridges use our bridge to manage their liquidity. Mm-hmm. But yeah, I mean, I see. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. In terms of adoption, for getting more users into the space using AnySwap, what is the strategy that you have, like helping them to get started easier, some incentives for them to...
So we actually don't have any incentives, so most of our tokens and our bridges are actually, bridges that should really happen. And, they're, I would just say, so, yeah, they were meant to be, So the TVL, we have 4 billion TVL at the moment. Non-incentivized, which is crazy if you think about it. That's our idea. So try to make it bridges that people are going to use.
Right. That's a great way to put it. I love your vision as well. Yeah. Thanks for joining us today.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Thank you.